Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me.
Naik pulang banyu. Bawahnya aja dah.
Sepatu dulu.
Hah?
Oh.
Keras banget lagi anunya nih. Selesainya dah. Aduh. Manis coy. Ayo. Teman. Kosong lah. Teman.
Kita ya.
Apa dah? Segel lepas gak dah? Apa dah? Aduh, hai. Yuk apa nih? Masih gak adalah?
Aduh. Ada kawak.
Wah, pas lepas nah. Kenapa digondori? Oh, lepas bungul.
maksudnya kita tuh gerak kita tuh?
Oknum.
Apa maksudnya tuh? Kecewa aku.
Ini dah. Lepas kah? Beh,
Teman bro.
hah?
Kayaknya.
Temen bunga kah?
Teman bunga lah. Guys. Hai. Kerendang kita.
Kerandang kita.
Budaya kan tidak boncos.
Yeah. Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's faking now. Yeah, she hates me now. I made mistakes, but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone. That's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. Here I never let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand